Okay, I'm not sure how much in the last video you got of this, but I made a mistake as I was going through it, so I kind of deleted what I did. So I drew h to k, j is in between it somewhere, so h to j is x over 4, j to k is 3x minus 1, and the whole distance is 22. So I set that up, x over 4 plus 3x minus 4, so these two added together, equals 22. What I want to do to make this a little bit easier is I'm going to multiply the whole thing by 4 to get rid of this fraction. Okay, so when I do that, 4 divided by 4 essentially is 1, so I get 1x. 3 times 4, so I have to do it to everything. Okay, 3 times 4 is 12x, 3 times negative 4 is negative 16, and then 4 times 22 is 88. So if I combine my like terms same side, that's 13x's, because there's 1x here and 12x's here, minus 16 equals 88. I'm going to add 16 to both sides, so I get 13x's equals 98, 104. And then I'm going to divide by 13 on both sides, and I get x equals, I believe, 8. Yeah. Okay, but that's not what it's asking us. It's asking us for these two. So if I plug in 8 here, 8 divided by 4 is 2. That would leave 20 for this guy because we know it equals 22. What I want for you to do is I want you to pause me and I want you to do 27, 28 on your own. When you're finished, then unpause me. All right. Hopefully you paused and you completed these two. This is H, this is J, this is K. 5x minus 4, 8x minus 10. The whole thing is 38. So I'm going to add these two things. So I'm actually going to combine like terms as I do this. So 5x's and 8x's makes 13x's. Negative 4 and negative 10 makes negative 14. That equals 38. I'm going to add 14 to both sides, so that is 52. And divide by 13, divide by 13. I believe that that's 4, but so I don't make any more mistakes. X does equal 4. So plug it back in. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 4 is 16. So H to J is 16. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 minus 10 is 22. Alrighty. One more. So drop a quick picture. H, J, K. 5x minus 3. X minus 9. The whole thing is 5x. So we do 5x minus 3 plus x minus 9 equals 5x's. That's 6x, so combine like terms on the same side. 6x's minus 12 equals 5x. Subtract 6x from both sides, so I get negative 12 equals negative x. So we don't want that negative, we want that positive, so we're going to divide by negative 1 on both sides, so x equals 12. Plug it back in. 12 minus 9 for JK is 3. And HJ, 12 times 5 is 60. 60 minus 3 is 57. And that is all for 1.2. Guys, again, there's a lot of vocab in 1.1 and 1.2, so I really want you to go through that vocab, go through those cards that you created, your vocab cards that you guys created on Quizlet, and study those a lot. Make sure that you understand this. And then complete the 1.2 homework assignment after these sets of notes. All right, thanks, guys.